Blueprints down. Secure the perimeter. Welders, fire it up. Let's get this sword forged by nightfall.
Check the curvature with the laser level. The runes on the hilt need precise measurement. We need more markers over here.
Temperature holding steady at 5,000 degrees. Add the next crystal batch now. Confirmed, adding crystals. Check the alignment now. Flow speed decreasing. Maintain the blue energy levels. Core descending. Watch the alignment. Vitals in the green. Start the energy transfer. All cables engaged. Initiate primary lift. Scanner's clear on the edge. Polishing complete, the crystal is stable. Final measurements confirmed. Looks good.
We did it! It's finally done.
Look at the glow on that blade.